Welcome everyone to Monkey Business. I'm Nick, aka Dad.
I'm Addie, aka the Monkey.
Hey, and this week we've got a product here from Healnat. It's a product I've seen out there quite a bit on Amazon.
Yes.
I've seen some people on some of the forums talking about it, and I'm always looking, or we're always looking for something to kind of help keep the Bronco clean on the inside. Addie's got a little sister who is now just over 3 months old. We've got 2 dogs, and then these Broncos, yeah, they're SUVs, but a lot of us who have families like the SUV, but still need something to haul. And on the back of these second row seats, they've got the carpeting, which you know is really durable. But at the same time, you start sliding things in and out, and it just becomes tattered after a while and torn sometimes, especially we've hauled little mini fridges, 7 cubic foot freezers in this already. And I just worry about the longevity of that carpeting. So we got something here. Want to show you, like I said, from Healnat. I'll put a description down below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. And definitely love for you to become a subscriber. So please do hit that subscribe button. We appreciate you guys watching. So
yes, let's get started.
All right, like we said, we got this from Healnat. Came in a pretty nice little box here that kept it pretty tight.
Yeah.
It's all wrapped in plastic. Let's get this thing opened here.
Let me put this on the ground.
Let's just throw this off to the side, shall we? There we go.
Bye, box.
Now, one thing I've noticed with a lot of these products is they come rolled up.
Yeah.
Got a nice sheet here. Tells you, with this being a 4-door, and this is all it's covering right now, you've got 4 pieces. You have the 2 lower pieces for the pieces that kind of fold with the seats, and then the actual seat protectors.
Yes.
The reason we like this is it does have really nice instructions. Lets you know where each piece goes. It is only for the 4-door. No one's got one yet, I don't think, for the 2-door or the Bronco Sport. They actually have one from the factory on the Bronco Sports that have the snaps. This one actually, though, uses Velcro on it. So you want to be really careful when you install this. This carpet that they put on the back of these seats clings really well with Velcro. I found out with just some other products. So when you're putting this on, be really intentional on making sure you've got it exactly where you want it. We're going to fold these seats down, and we'll get started with this install. All right, when you get these, like I said, they're going to be rolled up. You may have better luck with putting them down in your garage or outside for a little bit to let the heat kind of relax them. But we really like these because they're rubber. They're easy to clean. You can peel them off, wash them off. They're really durable. You don't have to worry about slicing through them with anything. Dog hair is another one that it's just easy to wipe things off. Mud, dirt. Easy to just kind of rip them back out with the Velcro, wash them off real quick, and then put them right back in after they're done drying. So we're going to start up here. They are molded to kind of go around your seat back release. And you want to start up here in this right-hand corner, or left-hand corner for me, and then kind of work your way down the edge here.
Let me get the corner.
Yes, that would be great. And don't forget, this flap is gonna need to come up a little bit, and this will go down, and it kind of wraps around the edges, which is really nice.
Yeah. Also, then when you're like pulling down the seats, you can still pull down one at a time instead of having to pull down all of them and then take this off.
And then we've also got the little rubber pieces here. Now these go on the little pieces down here. So we'll make sure we start kind of at the corner up here, making sure that it's secure. And like I said, they kind of wrap around. We do have this other, we'll kind of tuck that down here, because most of these Broncos have this little plastic piece here. So it feels like we could probably just tuck this down in there.
There we go. I got that corner. Okay.
Let the Velcro kind of seal itself.
Looking nice.
Yeah, look at that. That looks really nice. All right, now why don't you get your side going?
Got it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now.
And this
okay,
is
yeah.
this is where your cutout is for
Yes.
the release on these. Okay, so get your corner set. Oh, yeah, be careful. Got it there?
Yep.
Okay, we'll set that down. You probably got a little bit more. You could have come
Okay.
your way there.
Okay. Cool.
All right, let's lift this up here too. That up, there you go.
There we go. Then lock it down with the
Yep,
Velcro.
get the Velcro going. You know what? Let me lift yours up a little
Okay.
bit. We'll lift mine down here. Okay. Now, because this really does wrap around
Yeah.
the seat really well, right up to the zippers, it looks like. So
Yeah.
let's put that back down. Okay. Is that, here's all the way in?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. Now, let's put your little piece on here.
Yeah. Little tiny piece.
Yep.
Little baby piece.
I'll match it up with mine here.
As best as we can.
Yep. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
There you go. And we'll tuck it underneath that plastic piece here, which like I said, every Bronco's pretty much got this. I'll just reach across here and help out the monk here.
Thank you.
Yep. And there it is.
Super simple.
It's a really nice piece. Like I said, Healnat is the name of the company we got this one from.
Yes.
Again, looks like it's gonna be really durable.
Yeah.
You still got access to your latch points if you're using a latch system
Car seat.
but these should be easy to wipe down, easy to clean, keeping dog hair and keeping the back looking nice, because our dogs will always shed.
Yes.
So this will help keep those hairs from getting in those little fabrics, because that is so hard to get out. So
It is.
yeah, we really appreciate you guys watching.
Yes.
I think this would be a great product. We'll put a link down below. And
Yes.
again, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and we appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully we'll have some more videos coming out here soon.
Yes.
But enjoy this project from Healnat. Great product. And like I said, there's a bunch out there, but this is what we've got, and I think it's going to work out really well. Hey, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.
Bye.